Okay, Alkaline making moves again. Alkaline recently did an interview in Viper magazine. Check it out at vipermag.com. Alkaline's interview, the ultimate digital cover for 2025 feature. This article was released today, July 3rd, and trust me, I'm not going to read this one for you guys. I want you guys to take a look at this article. It's in depth. You know, he recently did his interview that is on our channel, Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel, with Cliff Hughes that people had issues with. Yo, Vendetta fans understand our artist. Alkaline answers his questions with skill and technique and full of jokes and hidden messages. When we want to know about artists, we listen to our song. But this is for those that want more information. Go ahead, check out the article. See if you get the in-depth things you guys were looking for. But either way, we're happy with our artists making pure moves. Ready for July 5th for new rules in Trelawney. Make sure you guys get your tickets and stay tuned to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel for more highlights. The article explores Alkaline's journey throughout music, how he became successful in dancehall despite all his obstacles. It highlights performing outside of Jamaica, facts that he releases music constantly throughout the years. Alkaline speaks to how he tries to give his fans different types of music, and how moving in different locations inspire him to different music. So check it out.